Yeah.
Pares na pares kay Ellie, oh. Look at me, babe. Ayan yung hairline niya. Morning!
Good morning, pretty girl. Look at
Morning,
those little
guys!
twinsies.
Kagigising lang ni Ellie, oh. Nagpupush pa rin ng pupo. Kaya mo yan, girl, oh.
Good morning.
Sige lang, push lang.
Hi.
Oh.
What are you doing?
Yeah. Oh.
Oh.
Oo. Nakakatuwa yung mga baby, no? Ang dami nilang mga facial expression na matatawa ka talaga.
Massage your little tummy here.
Yan, pag namumula siya, yan, nagpupush yan siya. Sige, girl, i-push mo, girl.
Here. Okay, push.
Sige,
Let it go.
push.
You gotta go. You gotta go, poopy. Baby noises are funny.
Minsan, gusto ko mag-nap, tapos pag natutulog siya, nagnanap. Kaso may mga tunog siya na ano eh. Oh! My gosh!
You feel better?
Kanap na ng dodo. Ellie! Ellie pot!
Yeah. Yeah, what you doing? You playing with those feet?
Hi, my love! Hi, my love! Oh. Eliana. Grabe yung hairline mo. Parehas na parehas talaga kay ng daddy mo. Tapos hairline ni Travis, oh. May hairline ni Travis. Parehas na parehas kay Ellie, oh. Look at me, babe. Ayan yung hairline niya. Ellie!
You done pooping?
I remove her hands. Sige, kaya mo yan, girl. Push it. Push it, baby. Oh my gosh. Grabe yun ah. Grabe yun ah.
She's like,
Sarap ah. O, bangon na tayo, bangon na.
You ready to go back to bed? You stinker.
Stinker. Like daddy.
What are you doing?
Magdodo na dali, dodo. Ano?
You need some help there, honey. You need some help.
Dali na, paduduin ko na, babe. Gutom siya, oh. Yung ginagawa ni Tess bicycle, ano,
It helps.
para umutot, di ba? So they can fart. Sometimes it's hard for them. Kaya minsan yung mga nanay, tatay, ganyan ginagawa.
Is that all? Dodo in your tummy? Yeah, chicka, chicka, chicka. Oh, yeah, what are you doing?
Okay.
Oh my goodness.
Ellie.
I don't have what you're looking for.
Kinsey, go to, diba? In the backyard.
Yeah.
She went potty.
Oh.
Let's go see Kinsley. Kinsley, good morning, baby ko. Good morning, my baby. Good morning, my oh my goodness. Kiss mo si mommy. Kiss mo si mommy. Oh my gosh, my baby. My first baby. I love you. I love you, my Kinsley. Laki na ni Kinsley, guys. Parang nadagdagan talaga yung timbang niya. Siguro mga ano na siya. 120 pounds or 110. Basta na siya sa kabila. Say good morning to Daddy, Kinsley. Babe, good morning daw.
Hi.
Kiss mo si Daddy, kiss. Kiss mo si baby sister. Kiss. Good girl. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Is that baby sister? Kinsley? Minsan inaamoy niya talaga si ano eh. Good morning, guys! Grabe oh. Si Travis nagupit sa akin eh. Ayan yung ganyan kaiksi yung hair ko.
Yeah, I'm talented.
Magpapadala na kami kay Ellie. Gutom na ang beb. Oh. Ano? Mata. Grabe na. Grabe, Ellie. Kakadodo lang. Tulog na naman. Tapos mamaya papalitan na naman ng ano. Ganyan lang talaga gawain ng baby, no?
Look at her facial expressions.
Ellie. Namumula mukha niya.
Eliana. Yung baby girl.
Tingnan mo. Wala. Di ba may mga tunog-tunog siya eh, oh. Ayun na, nagmuryot na. Nagmuryot! Ano. Try niya, ano yung kamay niya. Kakapadede ko lang sa'yo, ah. Antok siya, guys. Great. Ganun lang gawain ni Ellie. Pagkatapos magdede, tulog. Opo. Eliana! Hi, baby! Ellie! Is she pushing still? Eliana!
Oh my gosh.
Eliana! Girl, you have a double chin already. Ellie! Tignan nyo guys, ito yung parang newborn clothes niya. Masikip na sa kanya. Siguro last na suot niya na ngayon.
Yeah, she's
ngayon.
pushing hard.
Okay, mag-upgrade na siya sa 3 to 6 months ata. Or medyo malalaking ano.
Come on, you need me to push those toesies for you?
Ellie! Look at you! Oh, my sis!
She's so funny.
I'm so...
A few moments later.
Nag-order na lang kami ng food, guys. Kay meron kaming, DoorDash na gift card. Tingnan natin. First time ko kumain ito, guys. Charlie's.
Is it your first time?
Yeah, first time.
Pretty good. Yeah, I think you'll like it.
Dali. Wow, they gave you lots of straws.
I know, right?
What did we order? Cheese, ano?
Philly cheesesteak.
Yours has fries, mine doesn't, so that's how we know which one is which. This one's yours.
Oh, that's huge. Ito guys. Tingnan natin. Laki ah. Pares pala kami na in-order. Kain muna kami guys. Let's
Pray
eat.
na.
Oh, my pretty girl. She's just been crying for like 30 minutes straight.
Yeah.
A little. Watch. Instant cry. Da, da, da. Oh, it's okay. Oh, my goodness. Oh, you easy. Wee. Okay, come here.
Ay, poor baby.
Oh, you're okay. Come on.
Say night-night everyone. Matutulog na naman ang Elipot.
Bye, everybody.
Bye everybody.
She needs a change.
Diaper
You
change
drooling?
muna.
Are you drooling?
Bye-bye everybody. Namula ka na naman. Umiyak ka. Wow, grabe talaga. Look. She's lifting her head. Bye-bye everybody. Good night, guys.